Washington, D.C. is the capital of the United States of America. This assignment focuses on Washington, D.C. because it is where the federal government is located. Net carbon dioxide emissions need to be reduced in order to minimize near-term climate change and long-term warming. In order to prevent global warming of 2 degrees Celsius or more, nations need to drastically cut their greenhouse gas emissions by 2040. The 2015 Paris Agreement set goals for reducing emissions by almost every country on Earth. If every country follows this agreement, then there is a possibility that the Earth won't exceed 2 degrees Celsius of warming. However, after the election of President Donald Trump in 2016, the United States of America pulled out of the Paris Agreement. As one of the top contributors to greenhouse gas emissions, the United States is integral to preventing catastrophic warming. If the United States of America does not rejoin the Paris Agreement, there is virtually no hope in preventing dire consequences from climate change. Washington, D.C. is located along the coastal Potomac River and is vulnerable to sea level rise. In addition to this, the number of 90-degree days is projected to increase in the future. The number of heat-related deaths could rise substantially, and historic monuments could be destroyed by sea level rise. It is imperative that leadership in Washington, D.C. rejoins the Paris Agreement and passes legislation to drastically reduce the amount of carbon dioxide emissions.